Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today we're gonna be making some salad, like a little, half a salad. So in here, I have my ingredients. I have some fresh tomatoes, some fresh onions. I have half a cucumber, then I have my lemon. Over here, I have my mayonnaise, and then I have my topping dressing. I have some nuts in there, and then I have some raspberry in there, and then I have my honey in here, mayonnaise, and then I have a little bit of vinegar in there. Okay, stay tuned. Let's make some good salad. So guys, look at that. That's our salad for the day. This is so good, so yummy, guys. I tell you. Yep, this is our salad for the day. You can eat this with anything. You can eat it with yogurt, whatever you want to eat that with. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this recipe. If you do, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for always cooking with me, sharing, liking, and please thank you for subscribing. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, and thanks to all our new followers, to our old ones. I truly appreciate you guys. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.